And the secret is rainbow umbrella. This one, what is this toys? And this Pageant Beauty toys. And let's go unboxing. Come on, let's go home first. We're not yet home. Oh my god. Just wait until we're home. Tara, unboxing na tayo. Ano kung hinihintay nyo? Tara. I'm excited na ako. Try nga natin. Ito lang. Ito muna natin yung unboxing. Excited ako. At ito naman sa part 2. Oops. Hindi part 2 na totoo ha. Next nito, part 2. Part 2 ang next nito ha. Part 2. Diba? Ganito. For example, ito yung na-open ko. Next naman is ito. Ayan naman ang part 2. Let's try! Let's try! Unboxing! So excited. I love this guys. Look at this guys. So, yun naman. Sakit naman yung likod ko. Unboxing na natin, okay? Ay, hala. Pwede naman open. Bakit ko naman yan yung nakakita? My goodness. Let's take it and wait. Oh, wow. Oh. It's never. That hurt. Oh. Guys, caution. Don't let your kids hold this. It's so sharp. So let's try it. I'm so excited. Come here. Just wait. I'm so excited. Then this was the car. I know yet. No. Comment something so that. Ouch! That's very much. Thank you. Thank you.